SNA students, 9th grade, helping out with the neighborhood around campus, cleaning up trash. We went under a bridge. We are now doing some of the neighborhood areas 2 blocks away from the school. Each student has already picked up about a bag, working on their second bag. This event was orchestrated by Miss Vandana. Well done.